Element 2026 MCQ. For an electromagnetic wave propagating through vacuum, K vector, E vector and omega represent propagation vector, electric field vector and angular frequency respectively. The magnetic field associated with the wave is represented by. Now see the diagram here. E vector, B vector and K vector are perpendicular to each other. Here direction of K vector, that is E cross B vector from right hand screw rule, and direction of B vector from right hand screw rule, that is from K vector cross E vector. Here E caret, B caret and K caret are the unit vector in the direction of E vector, B vector and K vector. So we can write B caret is equal to K caret cross E caret. Equation number 1. Now magnitude of magnetic field is E by C, where C is equal to omega by K. So 1 by C is equal to K by omega. So B is equal to E into 1 by C, but 1 by C is K by omega. So B is equal to K E upon omega. Equation number 2. Now B vector is equal to magnitude of B into unit vector in the direction of B vector, that is B caret. B is equal to K E upon omega, and B caret from equation 1 is K caret cross E caret. So B vector is equal to 1 upon omega in bracket K into K caret cross E into E caret. So B vector is equal to 1 upon omega K into K caret, that is K vector, cross E into E caret, that is E vector. So B vector is equal to 1 upon omega in bracket K vector cross E vector. So correct option is option 1. Thank you.